Classic character and designer finishes you'd never expect. Let me show you around. From the outside, this home feels like the kind of classic farmhouse people fall in love with. Step inside and expectations change. This carpet-free home was extensively renovated with a bright open layout, designer finishes, and practical everyday features that work together, giving you modern comfort without stripping away the character that made this home special in the first place. Check out my top 7 reasons why this home could be the perfect fit for you. Number 7, ELORA and surrounding area. ELORA gives you that small town character that people search for. The village, gorge, walking trails, restaurants, and local shops are all close by, while this location keeps you connected to Guelph, Fergus, Kitchener-Waterloo, and surrounding communities. You get the charm and seclusion without feeling disconnected. Number 6, curb appeal and property. You notice this home before you even pull into the driveway. With an elevated position on the hill, this classic 2-story profile has presence. You've also got plenty of parking, an oversized garage, and space for family and guests. Number 5, turnkey remodel. This isn't just a cosmetic renovation. This home was taken back right to the studs and remodeled in 2020. Electrical, plumbing, insulation, and HVAC, the major systems were redone while keeping the original Century shell and character intact. Number 4, open concept main floor. Step inside and take in this beautiful main floor. Bright, open, and built for everyday comfort. Natural light pours in through the large windows, while the living room, dining area, and kitchen all flow together seamlessly. Coffered ceilings, designer lighting, pot lights, engineered hardwood, and tile give the entire space a polished and upscale feel. Heated flooring runs throughout the mudroom, main floor laundry, and 3-piece bathroom. Number 3, stylish eat-in kitchen. This is the kind of kitchen people naturally end up gathering in. Soft close, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry with warm wood accents, quartz countertops, herringbone subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and a large center island with breakfast bar seating give the space a clean, upscale feel without sacrificing function. The built-in coffee nook and minibar add another layer of practicality, while the dinette with electric fireplace and oversized walkout keeps the space feeling social and connected. Number 2, deck and hot tub. From the wraparound deck, you're looking out over scenic views. The saltwater hot tub, pergola, and barbecue hookup is already set up and ready to enjoy, while this whole outdoor space feels private and easy to picture yourself using every day. Number 1, bedrooms and bathroom. Upstairs, the carpet-free second floor gives you more flexibility. The hallway nook is large enough for a home office setup, while both bedrooms feel bright and spacious and are treated to a luxurious main bathroom outfitted with heated flooring, hex mosaic tile, quartz countertops, double sinks, a freestanding soaker tub, glass shower, a built-in makeup vanity, and designer finishes throughout. Meanwhile, the basement has plenty of usable storage space, Century charm, modern living, and views that are hard to replicate. That's what makes this home stand out. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. We'll see you at the next home.